3.
So I just keep pressing
You
my
do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll put this side, this way. Okay? I'm not included, huh?
Oh, you gotta do it again.
Okay. This is so cool. Huh? This one is not good because it's so thick. See?
Okay. Wow. Just kidding. That is.
Okay, one. It's good, it's safe because when you press this button, when you press it, you're not heating the blade, so it's good. It's worth it. You have to press it here. Just insert that in there. And then do that, like that. See? Cut!
Wow.
It's good. That's enough. 1 minute?
That's how you get canceled.
Thank you. I told you for my YouTube, so it's not like that. You put that tomato in there and press this button. It shows. It's supposed to be on this side. Ay, nako. Oh, all tomatoes are cut. Huh. Nicely done. Nicely done. This one has to be adjusted, like how you like the cut.
Okay.
If you want it thicker or thin, you just have to adjust this by using this knob. Let's try again one more time. That's it. Wow. That's it. Perfect. We're done.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.